First, weigh out your sample that you would like to homogenise. It is important to know the weight of your sample for calculations later in your protocol. Carefully add your sample to the homogeniser. Then add a known amount of liquid that you will use to homogenise your sample. This could be water, a buffer such as phosphate buffered saline, or a solvent. Next, gently homogenise the sample by placing the plunger into the vessel and mixing up and down. Be careful here not to allow the sample to splash out of the vessel, but also ensure that you reach the very bottom of the vessel to thoroughly homogenise your sample. Once the sample is sufficiently homogenised, carefully remove the plunger and place it safely on the bench so that it will not roll away. Now remove the required volume of supernatant into a fresh tube, being careful not to disturb any solid matter at the bottom of the homogeniser. If you require further clarification of your sample, you can centrifuge it to pellet the remaining solid material. To dispose of the remaining contents of the homogeniser after use, first tip the contents into a pot of disinfectant. You may need to add a little water to help to remove the solid contents from the homogeniser. Then place the tube and the plunger separately into the autoclave bin for autoclaving of glass waste. Do not replace the plunger into the vessel as this can break the homogeniser during sterilisation.